What foods to eat to lower cholesterol? If you have a high cholesterol level in your body, it can lead to various health conditions such as coronary heart disease, type 2 diabetes, stroke, and high blood pressure. One of the leading causes of death these days is heart disease. The kind of food you eat has a powerful influence on the cholesterol levels in your body. It requires you to add foods that can lower the LDL, a harmful cholesterol-carrying particle responsible for clogging the arteries and cutting the food that boosts LDL. The lower levels of good HDL cholesterol and high triglycerides can also increase the risk. Oats. Oats contain soluble fiber, which can reduce the low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol in the body. How to lower cholesterol immediately with oats. It contains soluble fiber, which reduces your low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. This soluble fiber is referred to as beta-glucan, transforms into a gel that binds to cholesterol and bile in the intestines. This aids in limiting the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed in the blood. The cholesterol is lowered this way as the liver has to take out more cholesterol from the body to make more bile. Having a bowl of oats every day can make a good change in your health. Additionally, oats are whole grains, so they keep you feeling full all day. Nuts. As per recent studies, almonds, walnuts, and other nuts can lower the risk of heart complications in people who had a heart attack history. Having nuts regularly can improve blood cholesterol. Nuts are also rich in vitamin E, protein, magnesium, and potassium, which keep the body at bay from other diseases. Like oats, they are also high in fibers, which can block the cholesterol from being absorbed into the blood. As nuts are high in calories, you can add a handful of them to your daily diet. Also, make sure to eat unsalted nuts as salt can raise your blood pressure. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of many nutrients and monounsaturated fatty acids. Thus, adding them to a daily diet can be highly beneficial for improving LDL cholesterol in the blood, especially for overweight people. You can add avocado as a side dish or add a few slices into the salads and sandwiches. Avocados are also exceptionally rich in fiber that reduces harmful LDL and raises good LDL in the blood. Many studies have proven the effectiveness of avocados in lowering cholesterol in the body. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a good source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids. They can lower the LDL in the body by replacing the meat, which has high LDL, increasing saturated fats and providing LDL-lowering fats. These omega-3 fatty acids reduce the triglycerides in the blood and save the heart from irregular rhythms. Just make sure to cook fish by steaming it instead of frying it in oil to increase the risk of heart disease. Soya. Soya beans and all the food items made of them, such as tofu, soy milk, etc., are rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins, making them perfect for a healthy diet. Soy food is considered a powerful way to lower the cholesterol level in the body. You can replace your dairy products with soya alternatives to get good results. Garlic. Garlic has been used for hundreds of years for its medicinal properties in many households. The main compound in garlic, referred to as allicin, can lower blood pressure and lower bad LDL cholesterol. You can get garlic supplements for good results against higher cholesterol levels. Garlic is the best food to lower cholesterol levels. Fenugreek seeds. Also known as medi seeds, fenugreek can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the body. You can consume a tablespoon of soaked fenugreek seeds every day to see results quickly. Also, fenugreek seeds are found to be effective against blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Lemon. Lemons are said to be a great source of vitamin C, and drinking lemon juice daily can reduce bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Lemon juice is high in citric acid, which makes it an excellent natural cleanser. How to lower your cholesterol with lemon? Drink some lemon juice with warm water first thing every morning on an empty stomach. To get the maximum benefits from these foods, make sure to limit the saturated and trans fats you eat every day. You can also include ginger, coriander, cluster beans, cinnamon, celery, apple cider vinegar, and green tea in your diet.